What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, it's been almost a month, but I just got back from a cruise yesterday, so I was there for like a week or so. It was fun. We went to the Dominican Republic. It was hitting. But as you see, the Beamer right here is in the normal spot for the Shelby. Today we are going to get it picked up. I dropped it off at my friend's shop before I left to get some work done. We got a new exhaust on there. It was made custom, so it's about to be fire. So you guys will see that here in a second. I'm gonna throw a couple clips of how it sounded first and then how it sounds now. So I will catch you guys there. See you in a minute.
Good boy.
It makes sense when you walk through it. It like all starts to come together.
That mask doesn't work.
It does.
No, it does not.
So I was just staring at Alex that whole time. I was gonna
No,
say,
it
even
doesn't
with the
work.
mask, I still got a dot right now.
Yeah, because that
Well,
mask
what
has
mask do you
no
have?
batteries in it.
There's like a half mask.
Wait, there's batteries on the floor.
Dude, not those kind of batteries.
Yeah.
If you can pull the battery out of your key fob, and that will work in it.
I got my key fob.
Yeah, I got my key fob.
For a jig.
That's Domo.
That's my respect for us.
Hold on, pull that fucker out.
I love Domo.
Oh,
Hell yeah. No, this is the picture right here.
is that the thumbnail? That's the fucking thumbnail. We need to get a still of that. That's the fucking thumbnail right there. W thumbnail.
Fucking rips, dude.
Hey guys, Chris Mix here.
Neat build.
Oh god. Dude, this motherfucker looks huge on camera. Look at this guy.
Yeah, you gotta go in 0.5.
Oh. You can't.
That's alright. Why are all of you guys doing it like you're left-handed?
I'm right-handed. I am left.
Yeah, put the wand in your right hand. There you go.
How do I hold this? With this?
You can hold it like a pencil, you can hold it just fucking like you're gripping your dick, whatever you want to do. Whatever's easier for you. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Just don't get your finger too close to the tip or you're going to burn your finger.
2 hours later.
Put this on the material?
Yeah, once you get a puddle made with that. Once you get hot enough to form a puddle.
Back the filler rod
Back
off.
the shit
Get
up.
a puddle.
1 eternity later.
Oh, now you're getting it. Don't hold it into one spot for too long.
It's not doing anything. Is it?
Okay, maybe let's flip this whole. Hang on, whoa, hey, whoa.
Only dab it in. You don't want to hold it there.
Okay, so I'm dabbing it.
Okay.
Here's a car right here in the background. We're about to get a first start, so let's get to it. Ooh, car's dead, boy. The battery's been dying hecka, so we'll catch you back when the car's charged. Ooh, boy. Y'all hear that? Get a little blip. Get a little. Yo guys, this thing sounds insane. Watch. Ooh-wee. Right, you guys heard it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. How you guys like the new sound of it? I think it sounds good. It's loud. You can hear this thing from a mile away. We about to be a menace in the streets. It's about to go crazy these next couple videos, but I'm gonna be making some new content soon on here with the Shelby and the Beamer. Just a couple updates on everything. I got some new tires for the car, some brand new 4S's on the fronts. Shout out my boy Osmar for doing the mounting and all that, whatever. The car also, when I get to 5 to 6K RPMs, it does like a bog to where it won't go all the way up. My friend thinks it's the spark plugs, so the spark plug should be here tomorrow, so I'm gonna be installing those. I'm gonna be buying the intake and everything soon too as well, so we can get to that 700 wheel form. Also for the Beamer, my door latch still is not working, so I'm gonna need to buy a new door latch or try to get that one fixed. It also has a small coolant leak, which is normal for that car, so I'm gonna either have to replace the whole intercooling system or whatever, but we'll take a look at that. All that is why I've been gone and not filming on the channel. But yeah, I'm back now on the cruise. Just got this car done, getting the spark plugs tomorrow. We will be making some more content with this, so let me know what you guys want to see. I'm gonna be making some more POV drives, probably going to some car meets, late night meets, daytime meets, see what we can get done with it. I want to get it detailed and everything. Then after that, we are going to be going in depth to fix the Beamer and start modding that, because I already have a plan for that too. But I appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in.